everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make super easy cannoli dip. Oh my gosh, if you've ever had a cannoli, you know you're going to love this. Just 4 simple ingredients. Can you believe it? 5 simple ingredients. 4 simple ingredients? Anyway, you're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened to room temperature. You're going to need 2 cups. We used 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, and we prefer whole milk, but we only had part skim. And you're also going to need some powdered sugar as well as some chocolate chips. That's 1.5 cups of powdered sugar and 1 cup of mini chocolate chips in bittersweet or semi-sweet, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I guess that's 5 ingredients, isn't it? All right, forgive me. Okay, so the first thing you want to do in the bowl of a stand mixer or in a bowl with a hand mixer, you want to go ahead and add your cream cheese, your ricotta cheese, your powdered sugar, and your vanilla, and you want to Bix? Bix is what it is, the combination between beat and mix. It's a new word I just invented. You want to beat or mix the ingredients until smooth, okay? Now, we picked up a part skim ricotta cheese, but Sharon prefers the whole milk. They just wasn't an option for us. And she said it came out good, but it did come out a little thinner than it would have had it been whole milk. All right? And she said she really liked the stand mixer because it did come out really smooth in consistency as well. All right? Now, after you have everything together, that's both cheeses, powdered sugar, and vanilla, and you've beaten it till a smooth consistency, you want to put your stand mixer on low, and then you want to stir in your chocolate chips. All right? I know, the chipmunk cooking lessons. Listen, Sally really loves cannolis, and they used to have a bakery in town that made cannolis that closed. So when Sharon found that out, she was like, oh, we should make cannoli dip, she'll love it. And we did, and she did. Okay, she actually said, can I freeze this, because she loved it so much she wanted to save some for the future. But I'll tell her it's really easy to make, and we can make it again. All right, the only ingredients we were at Target that day, so I was gifted a Target gift card, and we were able to buy some stuff for Christmas, which was wonderful. Thanks to you, whoever you are, who sent me the Target gift card. You know who you are. Okay? Now, you don't have to sift your powdered sugar or anything. It just goes straight in, straight up. All right? Now, Sharon said that you serve this with waffle cones or sugar cones. Sugar cones are a little thicker. Waffle cones are much more delicate. But what she really likes is pizzelle cookies. Now, I know pizzelle cookies are not available in everybody's neck of the woods. But basically, a thin wafer type cookie is really what you want to do. But honestly, I feel like I could do this with a ton of different stuff. Any kind of sweet chip or cracker, I feel like, would be just enhanced. But if you are in the mood to make cannolis, then, you know, by all means, have at it. We're not doing that, though. All right? So now you want to turn your mixer off and add in your cup of chocolate chips. This is just a 1/2 cup measurement I'm using, which is why it's just a cup. And again, these are semi-sweet minis, cannoli appropriate. All right? And there it is, nice and smooth. You scrape down your sides, you put it in your mixing bowl, and serve. So what Sharon did buy was she bought big waffle cones, and what I did was I very delicately broke some up into nice large chunks for dipping. But my favorite part was the little tiny cone you're left with on the bottom. I loved to just fill that with a little bit of cannoli cream and eat it like it was a mini tiny ice cream cone. I felt so decadent and so glamorous. So I'll be putting this into my favorite temptations. Well, Sally's favorite temptations, because it was for her after all. And then you want to put it in the refrigerator to firm up. It says you can, the original recipe says you can serve right away, but we liked it cool. After you're told to bring your cream cheese to room temperature, you know, it's not going to be cold. She tasted it. She wanted chocolate chips. I know. I just had a taste so she could taste it. And she's like, oh, no, you have to have the chocolate chips when you taste it.
No, it's not. No, it's just really I don't have any. I really have to rest. I don't want to.
I hope you guys like the Chipmunk Show.
Maybe useless later.
Anyway, I wanted to just say a special thanks to Sharon, my best friend for 40 years almost next year, for introducing this recipe to me and to my family. But my endocrinologist said, thanks, but no thanks. Actually, let's put it this way. There's a lot of protein in the cheeses. Yeah, we can justify that, right? You guys know what I'm saying. All right? And then just put it in your serving bowl and store it in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve. Now, you guys know traditionally cannolis or cannoli, shells can be made. They add red wine vinegar, and they fry them. It's like a weird thing, but I really did like this with the shells, and it was so easy. But cannolis remind me of my mom all the time, because she used to buy the giant party cannolis, and it would come with, 50 little shells, and you just stuff your own cannolis. It was just the best. Okay? I know. Hi, Mom. I miss you. So then you just want to store it in your refrigerator. I like a half an hour. Half an hour is good, but up to whenever you're ready to eat it. So these are the giant waffle cones that Sharon bought. And you can see I'm trying to leave big pieces. And then we stuck some in and put some around the outside so that you can serve basically the dip, whatever you want. Okay? And this is her recommendation for how she likes to eat them. Again, or pizzelle cookies. All right? Now, if you guys try anything different, you want to try it, you let me know how you like it. But that's it, everybody. That's the best tasting, oh my gosh, cannoli dip you've ever had. If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to share with friends and family. Anybody you know might be interested in learning this quick recipe for their New Year's Eve or New Year's Day or any occasion, Tuesday. If you haven't yet, click subscribe, and when you do, a little bell will pop up. When you ring that bell, YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a new video. And as always, take care, God bless, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Happy New Year.